be right back. Give me a second.
Damn, this is the Lexus LC500. A big shout out to Lou from Beverly Hills Lexus. He's gonna let us hear how this engine sounds and a few revs of the car. This is gonna be before my test drive of the IS300. This is a 5-liter V8 engine, 471 horsepower, 10-speed direct shift automatic. So think about that. Most cars have up to 7-speed, but this one has 10-speed. Gotta love Lexuses. You can look at the back. The tail lights look really great, unlike any other Lexus before. Best Lexus you can buy. 6 figures, but worth this. Just looking at this car makes you want to work really hard and just want to be successful in life to be able to buy this type of car, especially the convertible. Look how aggressive that looks. And he got the keys now, and we're about to see how this engine sounds for the first time in my channel. Damn, thanks for doing this, man.
You're very welcome. Let's make it happen.
Sounds good.
All right.
This is Lou, and he's gonna fire up the engine now. If you want any car sales in Beverly Hills, make sure to talk to Lou, very knowledgeable salesman. Look how loud the cold start is. You can barely hear my voice probably, but this is the cold start. Hear that? I'm so impressed, for sure. A big thank you again to Lou for letting me do this. And here's gonna be a few revs of the car. That's only 5,000 RPM and it goes all the way up to 6. More than amazed with this car.
Oh yeah, this is a beauty.
This is honestly a beauty. Everything about it, literally everything is so nice about it. Especially that exhaust.